Hi, I'm Mike Sinar, President of Peak Marketing Service. If you own a business, you simply have to have a wow factor. You need an only factor, something that's exclusive about you, that separates you from all of your competitors. If you own a business, you're probably watching this video today because you're looking for better leads. And on this video today, I want to talk to you about why Peak Marketing Service has the best leads and are going to perform or probably outperform any other lead that you're going to get from our competitors. Now, I want to be very clear. At the end of this video, there will not be a request for you to download something. We're not going to ask you to act now or the price goes up. This is an informational only video. We want you to understand who Peak Marketing Service is in the lead industry, and then you decide for yourself. At the end of this video, if you'd like to give us a call, we would love to hear from you. And again, I promise, on the first call, and probably even the second call, we're not going to ask you for your business. These are educational calls. We want you to know us. We want you to understand our product and then make a well-informed decision for your business. So let me give you the quick elevator pitch about who Peak Marketing is and how we can help you grow your business and get you substantially better leads, folks. My business partner and I, Dan Pine, we got started in this business about 10 years ago. We were an internet marketing company. Some people call it SEO or SEM. There's all kinds of terms and phrases that you can use for our business. And we have a ton of clients that we still offer those solutions to. But like every business model, in every industry, probably yours too, it gets muddied up with a lot of competition. And usually we find our competitors are either way overselling the product and selling a product that's not worth what they're charging, or they're underbidding, and it just gets, you begin to feel like you're a monkey out there with a tin can just begging, please do business with me. And in the end, my business partner and I, we realized very quickly we need to set ourselves apart. We already knew we had a good product. We sell a product, our clients love us, but that doesn't mean you are going to know that we offer a good service. We have to get you to experience the service to know that. You're not going to just take our word for it. So we decided right away, hey, let's be different. This dates back 7 years ago. Let's put our money where our mouth is. Instead of marketing ourselves as an SEO company, let's capture the leads on our own websites. Let's practice what we preach. Let's do something nobody else is doing. So I think we became one of the first, if not the first, digital marketing companies that were selling SEO to just totally flip backwards and say, we're going to sell leads now. So we started producing all these different kinds of websites, and we started capturing our own leads. And then our clients, they're not paying setup fees. They're not paying cancellation fees. They're not signing contracts. Literally, our clients get to purchase leads on a per lead basis. At any given time, if they're not happy, they can pull the plug on the service. So we have to perform or we're in trouble. We're not just reaching out saying, hey, trust us with a few $1,000s a month and we'll see what you get, as is very common in the SEO world. Don't hear what I'm not saying. Obviously, we're big believers in SEO. Our entire business model is built on that. The only difference is the solution we're offering you today is we're taking all the risk. We're doing all the SEO on our own side, and you're just paying for the lead if that's the solution that you move forward with. So what makes us different? Now, we have a lot of competitors out there. Our newest space that we've been moving into is the home improvement world. And there's no shortage of competition. There's some very big household names out there selling home improvement leads. Let me be clear, they're good companies, they've got a great product, they have a different model. By the way, they wouldn't be doing 20 to 50 million a year if they didn't have a good product. However, most of these companies, they essentially have sort of a melting pot of leads. A big portion of that you'll find are social media leads. And really these are ads that are pushed out on Facebook and other platforms like that, and there's a lot of ads like, hey, 50% off, or I don't know, some government discounts. There's all kinds of pitches out there. So you're really chasing down, you're putting your ads in front of people, and sometimes some are a little shady, some are a little more clean than others, depends on who you're doing business with. But the bottom line is, no matter who you're doing business with, here's what our clients found, because we did the same thing before we tried it, and it just wasn't the model we wanted to move forward with. What we discovered was that people are literally converting no more than, as a general rule, 5 in every 100 leads. You're only going to convert that well if you've got a pretty robust call center. You need probably anywhere from 5 to 10 people grinding the phone all day long, chasing these things down. And it's just a big headache. It was a world again, it didn't take us long to realize it wasn't the model that we wanted. So we went back to our roots in that, and we said we're professional organic lead generators. So what for those that don't know, what is an organic lead? The leads that we generate, here's how we get them. Somebody goes online, these are just examples. You go on Google, and the user types in something like, find a roofer in Philadelphia. How much do replacement windows cost in Chicago? Who are the best siding companies or HVAC companies in Charlotte? So those are real people with very serious buying intent. When people are typing these keywords in Google, this isn't the same as throwing hey, see if you qualify for a really cheap Windows ad on Facebook. No, these are people with very, very serious buying intent. And they're going to convert exceptionally higher than any social media ads. So with us, gone are the days with expecting to close 5 in every 100 leads. No, you should be expecting to close on the high end 1 in every 10 leads, on the low end 1 in every 5 leads. That changes the whole game. You're putting in considerably less effort to close a deal. Now, don't get me wrong, we're not going to be as cheap as some of these other platforms where you need to pound through 100 calls to close a deal. But you know what? So you're going to find Peak Marketing Services really all about, as I said earlier, we put our money where our mouth is. Instead of selling SEO, now we're selling leads. But not only that, we want you to know. We want you to know that the quality we bring to the table is different. And for that reason, every new client that we bring on, the first 5 leads are on the house. That's correct. We are not going to charge you. We're not going to require you to sign some contract. We do have an agreement that you're taking the leads, you'll call the leads and so forth. But the first 5, a $600 value, are on us. We believe within 5 leads, 1, you're probably going to get your first sale out of it. And 2, that will be enough for you to justify the value proposition that we're bringing to the table. Who's doing that, right? Who's giving away their leads for free? Well, no one is, because they realize with many people, if you tried it for free, you're not going to continue with the service. That's a hook. This is our value proposition. It's our wow factor. It's our only factor. 1, they're way, way, way better. 2, we're going to give them to you for free so you can discover for yourself and not just take our word for it. So again, guys, I hope you've got a pretty good understanding of who we are at Peak Marketing Service. Set up a sales call, dial the toll-free number at the top of our website. And again, I can't drive home enough. We are not going to ask you for a sale today when you call. We're probably not going to ask you for a sale or to buy the product in the first couple phone calls. We want you to know who Peak Marketing Services. We want you to make an informed decision. And if everything works out, it's a good business fit. Hopefully we can start a long-term relationship. Hope that helps. Looking forward to speaking with you very soon.